Alright, so what we have here is a CCTV camera that doesn't need any TV or anything. You can just plug it and play it. You can watch the video recordings from your application. Let's do the unboxing. Alright, so what we have here is a smart CCTV camera that works on Wi-Fi, and you can access the footage on the application. This is the CP Plus CP-E21A camera. Let's do the unboxing and check out what's inside the package. Let's begin. Okay. Alright, so this is the camera box. It shows the branding of CP Plus, says Ezykam Plus application, the model number E21A is written over here. This is a 2 megapixel full HD camera. This is somewhat how the camera looks like in the real life. This works with Amazon Alexa, so we do have an Alexa over here. It might help us. And it also pairs with the Google Home. It says easy to install and plug and play device. Nice. Alright, what it says here. Some more packaging information and everything goes on here. Here are the features of the camera. It is a full HD camera, works with the internet. It has the view and talk. So, from the application you will be able to connect with the people who is standing or sitting on the other side of the camera. It gives a 360-degree motions, and it has a motion sensor alert as well. It has application on App Store and Google Play Store. So let's do the final unboxing. Feels like we are unboxing an Apple device. Let's open. So it has an operating guide over here. Here is the camera module itself. Let's get it out. Okay. So the plastic material feels good. It is a matte type of finish with it. Here is a speaker, I guess, that will be used for the push to talk. This is the reset button. This is the LAN port, and this is, I guess, the power outlet. Again, this is a speaker, and these are for the mounting screws. Inside this box, let's see what we get as an accessory. This is awesome. This comes with its own wall mounting, so you can just clip it on the wall and install it easily without any external help. This is the power adapter for the camera. Nice. This is the power cable, and these are the screw for the wall mounting. So overall, in the package you get the main camera, its power cord, the power brick, the wall mounting accessory with including screw, and a quick start guide. Alright, so we have connected this with the power source. So it does this.
Starting now. Please wait.
So I think,
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
and it announces that it is waiting for Wi-Fi connection, and the power has been connected with it. So let's install the application, the Ezykam Plus. Let's scan the code. Okay, so it takes. Okay, so it keeps announcing that it's waiting for Wi-Fi connection. It could be a bad feature because people might know that it is not connected with the Wi-Fi connection, right? Okay, so let's get this application first.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Alright. So let's wait till the application gets installed.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
And while the app is getting installed, it's still calling for Wi-Fi connection. And let me just show you that the camera has a blue light ticking on this side, so you can see that it's
Waiting
connected
for
with
Wi-Fi connection.
let's see, let's install the application
Waiting
first
for
and let's see.
Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, so setting up the Ezykam application. So this is the first time we are going to use this application, so we'll use the sign up option.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, it says user agreement, so we are agree with that. Place is India. Let's use our get verification code.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, the code is here. Let's copy it over there. Okay, so set up the password.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, so it says that it wants to know your location. It would like to connect with the Bluetooth. All right, we are okay with that. While using the application, would like to send. All right, with the connections. Okay.
Waiting for Wi-Fi
So
connection.
to add a device, you need to click on the plus. And now you need to find out what kind of camera you are using. So E21 is our camera, so let's do it. Okay, what it says is add a device.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Right, power on the camera and see the blue indicator, so it is coming on our device, and the prompt is audible, yes. So let's go to next step. Enter the Wi-Fi password. All right, so let's connect with the right Wi-Fi that is going to connect with our camera first. Okay, so we are connected with the right Wi-Fi that we need to connect, and
Waiting
let's
for Wi-Fi connection.
give it an access to this Wi-Fi. Now, this does not work on the 5 GHz network, so it will work with the 2.4 GHz network at your home. Let's do it. Okay, so enter your Wi-Fi's password over here
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
and go next. Okay, so it will show that you need to show this QR code to your camera. Let's do it.
Wi-Fi connecting, please wait.
So it said Wi-Fi connected, now wait. I heard a prompt. Okay.
Wi-Fi connection success.
Okay, so Wi-Fi is added to it. Now it's scanning for devices. The Wi-Fi signal is good, it
Device
shows.
added successfully.
Okay, so we can name this camera. No, we'll give it outdoors. And it's done. So now it has stopped giving me prompts and it's showing me the footage that it is getting, right? So let's check it. It is also showing the speed of the internet over here, so that's 87 kbps the transfer. It says HD, so you can switch to SD as well in case you want to go ahead with the SD version, or you can stay in the HD version as well. Okay, to speak with the camera, you can use this feature. Hello, this is Bhargav. This voice is coming from my camera. Okay, and to access the gimbal, you can switch in this mode, and so you can do this. Right, so it can go all the 360 way. That case, so it has some delay, I would say. It's not the perfect in sync with my camera, but still it's a doable thing. Okay, so let's just exit from this. Test this thing private mode. So what is this? The device goes in the sleep mode and it will not record the personal activities you are doing, and while you turn on the camera, so it will start recording again. Okay, for the playbacks, you need to enter the SD card over here, so that we haven't done it right. Okay, so this is a fun camera, I would say. It's a good camera. I will install it on my outdoors and will give you an update that how this thing is working. Alright, so hope you like this video. To see more videos on technology on the automobiles, do not forget to subscribe to Autologygeeks. See you in the future.